Tubing joint connection teaching. First, anti-static treatment of the oil pipe. Remove the rubber around the mouth of the tubing until the steel wire leaks from the mouth of the oil pipe. This is to uniformly connect the static electricity transmitted by the oil pipe and the refueling gun. The connector is aligned parallel to the oil pipe and press firmly to enter. The wire is tightly connected to the joint. Then screw the threaded end of the union into the connector. Can be lubricated for easy installation. Align the thread and screw it in directly. This makes the installation more secure. You can use a tool after you can't screw it by hand. Connect the oil gun to the other end of the union. The refueling gun can rotate 360 degrees. Prevent tubing from tangling and knotting.